Hello everyone, today I am going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Bare Garment Steamer. There always is a point where our clothing that we need is wrinkled, and I myself am not one who enjoys ironing, plus a lot of clothing material is really hard to iron just because it might be very fragile, so I prefer to steam. So I'm very excited to be trying out this product. Of course, the link for it will be in the description down below, as well as a discount code, so definitely go check that out. And without further ado, let's unbox this. So as I said, it is called the Bare Garment Steamer. So the brand is Bare. Super cute. First peek inside the box, we see the steamer, and it is packed safely with this styrofoam. One thing I really like about this off the bat is that it is very small. I've seen some steamers and they are huge, and for me personally, a lot of the ironing, steaming stuff that I do is usually on vacation. So I want it to be portable with me, and with the size of this one can definitely fit in my carry-on luggage or even my personal bag, but of course, carry-on would make more sense. It won't take up a lot of space, and feeling it, it is super lightweight. So the contents inside of the box, of course, we have a manual. And keep in mind, this product is available on Amazon. It comes with a little bristle brush attachment. And then of course we have the steamer. As I've already mentioned, the weight of this is so light, and look how compact and small it is. So cute. And I love the way that they have the handle like this. I think having an actual handle incorporated is very nice, because I find a lot of steamers, usually it is just the body and you have to hold it like this, which I just feel like that's so uncomfortable. So having a proper handle works so much better in my opinion. The cord itself is actually very long. I find a lot of steamers don't have long enough cords. The bottom of the steamer, of course, has a little flat base. On the handle as well is the little steam button. Of course, we have the front compartment. This is the water compartment, which is very easy to remove, as you just saw. The water tank can hold 230 milliliters of water, and it allows for 10 minutes of use without having to refill. Very easy to fill up as well. There's just a little tiny pull tab here, and then it's very easy to reattach. Of course, we have the front metal piece with the little holes for the steam to come out. Of course, on the top, they have their little logo, and they also have the light indicator, and this tells you whether it's on or off. It does have 25-second rapid preheating. Now, one thing that this steamer has that I have never seen before is a little fragrance compartment. And I thought that was so cool, because it basically allows you to infuse the steam with a fragrance to make your item smell better. It recommends like essential oils, fragrant oils, such like that. It is one of the top 10 best sellers on Amazon for steamers, as well as one of the few on the market that has the fragrance oil compartment. The last thing, of course, is this little bristle attachment, which is very easy to attach. You just take the piece and line it up. They have these little indents on the thing, and you'll hear a click once it's actually in place. So make sure this little tab piece is on the bottom, because then it's really easy to pull off. I find the bristle brush is a good attachment if you want a very smooth steam, just because, of course, you can put this piece really up close to the item, but I think really depending on the item, if you throw this on, it really helps it get that very even, smooth look, and also properly really flatten out all of those wrinkles. Now that we have explained it, I want to show it in action, of course. So I'm going to fill up the tank. So I have now plugged it in, and as you can see, the little indicator light is red, and in about 25 seconds, it'll turn green, which means I'm ready to steam. It is now ready to use, and as I said, the button underneath the handle is how you do it. Can you see that? Oh, don't want to steam you guys up. As I mentioned, I end up steaming a lot of my fancier items that I wear on cruises and such. So I have the perfect candidate to steam. This dress I wore on my last vacation, which was in December, and it has been sitting in one of those airtight plastic bags, folded up, for about 4 or 5 months now. I think it is definitely in need of a steam, so we can really showcase how the steamer works, because this dress definitely has seen better days, and these are some pretty tough wrinkles. So I now have it hung up, and I'm just gonna get right into steaming it. I'm obviously I love to start steaming from top to bottom just because I find that it's easier to work your way down. So we're going to start at the top. You turn it on. And that one heavy wrinkle right down the middle, already gone. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it's not there anymore. And we'll just continue. As I said, it is still very lightweight, even with the water tank full. And with a few passes, the top is pretty much all flattened out. We have this very crazy wrinkled situation compared to the nice sleek top. Now we are going to try with the bristle brush as we work our way down more, just because I want to show the difference, which there's not huge of a difference, but of course both do their different things. The other thing with the brush, it really allows you to brush down the fabric as you're going, which allows the wrinkles to flatten out a lot better, because sometimes I find the fabric isn't cooperating and it'll bunch up when you're trying to steam it, which sometimes can cause making more creases. Now the last thing I want to do with this is put some essential oil in the little top piece and incorporate it into this dress. So I just have this little vanilla essential oil, and as it said, we pull off this top tab and we just fill this up. I'm not going to put too much, so now that it is a good amount of full, and it shouldn't be overflowing, so make sure you don't fill it up too much. Let's see how well it incorporates it. Oh my goodness, I can smell it in the steam, guys. So I'm going to steam the whole dress, and I will show you guys what it looks like all straightened out and how good of a job this steamer did. So I have finished steaming the garment. You can definitely not tell that this has been sitting in a bag all wrinkled up for months. Look how good of a job it did. There's no wrinkles. It feels so nice and smooth, and it smells like a hint of vanilla. So coming from someone who steams a lot of clothing, I 100% recommend getting this steamer. It's really good if you're looking for something compact as well as something that is portable. So if you or someone else you know is looking to buy a steamer, I would definitely recommend checking out the Bare Garment Steamer on Amazon. I am so grateful to have been sent this steamer, and I definitely will be using this a lot, trust me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everybody.